Hello again, welcome to today's attempt at the polygonal puzzle, where I'm simply trying to guess a word, and where the shape at the top is repeated, the letter is repeated. So those could all be E's, for example. However, I think it's maybe more likely that they're S's, because that's quite a common ending to a word. What are we going to guess as the first two letters then? Parsers? Or muscles. Let's try muscles, in fact. ELS rather than ERS, because I think this is a more common word than parsers. And it's not even a triple S, so that's that theory down the drain. At least we've managed to get 3 of the letters, so if it's a duplicated E, as I was thinking to start with, oh, it can't be sleeve. We've ruled out, the word is too long, rather. Let's get my words right. Oh, it could be, oh no, it can't even be steeple, because we've now ruled out the L from being in that position. I think quite a lot of words would end LE, so the fact that we've ruled that out is very interesting. What would these two letters be? One of them could still be an S, and this one could still be an L. But if this is an L, I've got no idea what this letter would be. If one of them is an S, I've got no idea what any of them would be. I could possibly have tried an ING ending to start with. Legging, for example, but we have to use an S. We've got 3 letters, S, E and L, and we've only got 2 spaces left, so it can't possibly be an ING ending either. So this is difficult. If it is not there, if it is a triple E, we've already ruled out the L from being here. I've already said it's unlikely to be there. Maybe I'm wrong, but I'm going to go with that for now. And it's probably not first, because then again, I don't know what would be second. So if we assume that that thought process is correct, then the L would have to be second. Now that restricts us a little bit more. But we still don't know where the S goes, nor what the other 2 letters are. T and TH is teething. That's a word, but obviously this isn't going to be correct. If that is an S, I don't know. Maybe it's not a triple. E. I suppose another option is IER as an ending, but then we would need to put S and L at the start, which obviously couldn't work. If it's a triple L, that feels unlikely. It could be, I don't know if cellful is a word, it feels unlikely. I don't know what else would come 5th and 6th if it is a triple L. So what is this word then? It's a difficult one today. How long do I give it before I try a word that I know can't be correct, just to give myself a bit more information? I feel like that has to be a triple E, because what else could it be? Let's go back to having the triple E in place. If that's the S instead, ENSE is a common ending to a word, but not with a duplicated E. Cleanse would have an A here rather than an E. I think I'm just going to have to go for steeple. I know it's not correct because the L cannot be sixth, but it will give me more information. And if it's not a triple E, I'll be very glad that I've gone for steeple. And it's not a triple E, so in fact it has to start SE, because we've ruled out the E from every position. Oh no, it could be an E here. And we've ruled out the T and the P now as well, but we've still got lots of other letters that we could choose. That could be a D. Saddled. That's going to be correct, isn't it? Probably. Okay, I lost a little bit of confidence, but it was correct. So 3 guesses. As I always say, it could have been 2. I don't think it could ever have been 1. I thought of plenty of other words that fitted before I thought of saddled. So that was a difficult one today. The 7-letter ones, sometimes they're easy, sometimes they're hard. I think the 6s are always easier than the 8s. But clearly the 7-letter one today gave me a bit of trouble. Let me know how you got on. That's the polygonal puzzle for today. Thank you for watching and bye for now.